structure of venture capital in India. What are the structure of venture capital in India? So the three type of fund exist in one for domestic and two for offshore fund. Bro. Domestic fund one which are rising fund domestically structured as domestic vehicle for fund domestic vehicle and separate investment advisors that carries a duty of asset managers. So they do the business for them. Choice of the entity for pooling vehicles fall between the trust and the company. So they decide who to come, who to invest it, and they will decide. We don't do anything. Offshore fund, it's a two common alternative available for offshore fund. What are they? Offshore structure. The investment vehicle, LLP and LB organization outside India make investment directly into Indian companies. So foreign company investing in Indian company, assets are managed by offshore managers, but the control is by offshore. It is directly becoming a foreign company. Unified structure, what are there? The domestic investors are also expected to participate in the fund. Unified structures is used. Overseas investors hold the assets in offshore vehicles, then they invest in the locally managed trust, whereas domestic investors directly contribute to the trust. So in this, the domestic interest also expected to participate. They also wanted, but unified structure is used. How the overall investor pools the asset into offshore vehicles. So all the asset is coming into one trust that is managed where that trust is controlling this company. But this in domestic investor, they directly put in the country. Here, the trust is a manager, not the overall in foreign company, foreign contributors who won't directly control, but the trust will control. This is unified structure.